there's something wrong with my camera and it keeps dying. So I have to switch over to my phone, meaning I can't listen to, well, I can listen to music, but not on Spotify, YouTube. I don't know if you will see the footage that I just filmed, but I did my eyebrows. I know they look really bad. It depends how bothered I am to transfer this and then transfer that one all onto my laptop. So if you haven't seen it, I've just done my eyebrows, I've primed, but yeah, I don't know what to do about it, so I'm stuck on this crappy quality. Before you came round. So first of all, I started with my NYX concealer in Cocoa. However, it did run out, so instead I decided to use my LA Girl concealer in Chestnut to carve out my brows. I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. I don't think I mentioned, for my brows I used the Anastasia dip brow in the shade Ebony. Guys, my eyebrows are not turning out good and it's really annoying. Just done my eyebrows on camera just because they were going really bad and I just weren't feeling them. Sorry I did them off camera. But yes, now I'm actually gonna do my eyeshadow. So now I'm using the same LA Girl concealer to prime my eyelids. Break! My powder is downstairs. Why is everything going wrong? For eyeshadow, I will be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So at first I was going to use the colour that I just showed you, however I did not like it, it was a bit too gold, so I changed colours into that colour I just showed you. Okay, so I just done my eyes and my eyeliner off camera. For foundation, I'll be using my favourite foundation, which is the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade Golden Toffee. Now for concealer under my eyes, I attempted to use my NYX concealer again because I absolutely love it. However, there was like no product in it, so I added a bit of the LA Girl concealer on top of that. Contour, I am using this single shadow. Don't know what it's called, and I can't be asked to get it, so if it's an description, well, hey. Now to bronze up my face, I'm using the LA Girl powder in the shade Cocoa. This powder was too dark for me, so now I just use it as a bronzer. And I'm using the exact same powder to snatch my nose. Now for highlighting, I don't know what this highlight is called because it does not have a name, though it's just a normal gold highlight, so you can use whatever highlight you want. Going in with the same colour that we used on top of it, just to smoke out our under eye a bit. Now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top lashes and on my bottom lashes as well. I feel like I look like a raccoon right now. Felicia. So the lashes that I'm using in this are the Ardell Baby Demi Wispies. I absolutely love these lashes because they look so natural and they look like your real lashes. About this look that's not like, it's not that I don't like it. Maybe it's because I don't have my eyelashes on and I always wear eyelashes on when I wear eyeshadow. But there's something about this look that's just throwing everything off. I don't know if I'm wearing eyeliner. Maybe I mean, like, I kind of made the highlight like intense, but like not like bam, like, you know. It's like there. It's not subtle. It's a pretty glow, but there's something about this look that I don't like. For glue, I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. Okay, I know this eyelash looks horrible, but like I fix it. Okay, I think it was just the eyelashes because I'm digging this look again. I'm gonna put mascara on. For lipstick, I don't particularly know what it is. It's this London Girl lipstick in number 28. I don't know where it's from because I did not get it. But on top of that, I use the MAC lipstick in Persistence. I decided to use it because I hadn't used it in absolutely ages and it had just been sitting there in my collection, so I decided, why not? Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this look. Loads of things went wrong in this video, but and it took me longer than I expected. It took me so long, but I hope you liked the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely stunning. I wasn't feeling it, but now that I put on the eyelashes, it looks so nice. Also, I feel like the lip is a bit too reddy pinky and I want it more of the brown. It looks cute now. I wish I was going somewhere and wearing this look because it is amazing, but I'm not going anywhere. I might just like call up my friends and be like, hey, can we go out like right now, because I'm feeling myself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look. I know it was a really bad video. I'm sorry about it. Just so many things went wrong, like this camera dying and then having to film with this, and just so many things went wrong. But I hope you liked it anyway. I don't know if this is gonna go up. Like if I edit it and it looks good, then it'll go up. But if it doesn't, well, you'll never see this. I hope you leave a like, comment down below if you want more videos like this. Subscribe. I make videos every single week, probably. Sorry for not uploading last week because, again, my camera was messing up and like it wouldn't let me film. So, and I couldn't film like the video that I wanted to film. I couldn't film on here. So I'm uploading this instead. But yeah, other than that, have a great day. Bye.